Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Vince over at Ceramic Pro Killeen, and we are in take 2 because Brandon didn't have our mics on. So today we've got a BMW M4 in for our Ceramic Pro Gold package. And so what you guys are gonna see in this video is a little bit of breakdown of the process and how we do things here. So you're gonna see the paint correction process, you're gonna see some of the detailing process where we pull the wheels off, knock out the insides of the fender wells, making sure that's good. You're gonna see us ceramic coating wheels, and you're also gonna see us ceramic coating the body of the vehicle as well. So you're gonna kind of see everything all fall into one panel.
I'm sipping lean, I'm high again. Do what I do, make a blow like a flu. How about I knock at your door with the coupe? I turn the mic up, dive in the coupe. I got the back.